How to work with plural words in Haitian Creole. When a word is plural, it usually ends with the letter S or it changes form. For example, girl becomes girls and child becomes children. But for Haitian Creole, that is not the case. When a word is plural, you keep it as it is. You don't change anything. Let us use the word car as an example. To say one car in Creole, that would be yo machine. And to say two cars in Creole, that would be de machine. Now, notice how the word machine remains the same for both singular and plural. There is one exception to this, and that is when you would normally use a definite article or simply the in front of a plural word in English. So in Creole, you would say yo after that plural word. For example, suppose you want to say the cars in Haitian Creole. Well, that would be machine yo. And that's because you are using the definite article the. So as a result, for this example also, the houses would be kay yo. And of course, if you were just saying houses, that would simply be kai because you did not use the word the. So that's it. Once you know these concepts, you are good to go. For more videos like this, please subscribe and thanks for watching.